I did an Icepick on my mag gear, and then the wheel fell off completely. Yeah, the clip before us, that shows it. I'm just trying to put it back on now. And we do a how to put wheels back on. That's falling off when you've done Icepicks. Good how to. Okay, now this old shitty Res Pro one. I hate pegs, but they are fun. Just screw it around. There we go. Comes out. Scoot. Alright, so oh god. Hey, I don't think this boss fits. It doesn't fit. Like, yes.
You got a knob inside. You know, there's a knob inside.
This is the scooter that I've got the Axel off. Very fun now.
Tail whip! Can you tail whip? Oh, look!
Like that. Bar spin.
You put the peg on the wrong way. Let's see. Okay.
I have to change it again.
Okay, there's a peg there, and then there's some bearings down there.